All right, what's up, everyone? I wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin and the whole of the cryptocurrency market. I believe something very important is about to happen with Bitcoin. Before I delve into all that, I'd like to ask if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We do technical analysis, cryptocurrency news, bite out stuff, and just cryptocurrency stuff that we find interesting. So let's delve into Bitcoin because I believe we're currently in a downtrend that's going to bring us into the low 9,000s. So for several reasons, I'll begin on the really macro scale. Looking here at let's look at the daily first, just to kind of explain to you guys why in the short term, I believe the cryptocurrency markets and Bitcoin are in store for another leg down. As we can see here, we have recently flipped very long-standing resistance into support with this most recent breakout here. So it would make sense that whenever we flip major resistance into support, that we want to go back down and retest. Not only that, there is a CME futures gap still at around 96, 9,500 that doesn't need to be filled, but is often filled. As well as the price structure. Our price structure looks very bearish. As we can see here at around the 11,000s, we dropped pretty hard to about $10,000. Our first attempt to recover barely made it to, what was it, like 11,000, and then we dropped more. And then our second attempt to go up and retest previous resistance levels made a lower high. So our second attempt to break above made a lower high, guys. That's extremely bearish. So with this price structure mixed with the fact that Bitcoin is highly correlated with what's going on in the stock market, and given that whenever there's an American election going on, the stock market becomes very volatile. And when Trump, the president of the United States, just came down with coronavirus, you know, who knows if that's going to bring a lot of volatility, is what I'm trying to get at. I hope everyone, regardless of political affiliation, I wish everyone good health. But my point in bringing that up is that, if something were to happen, the market could react very, very negatively to President Trump's developing health situation. So I believe, what was it, stock futures crashed. The stock market was down today. I believe things are starting to recover a little bit. Yeah, no, we can see everything's down, guys. So this is only going to continue to happen. American presidential elections bring volatility, and with so much uncertainty with the American presidential elections, I believe this is going to bring more uncertainty and volatility to the stock market than a more regular presidential election would, which thus will affect Bitcoin. So if the stock market's going to be very volatile, and we already have all these indications that we're in store for a further downtrend, I believe it's just a matter of time before the whole of the cryptocurrency market takes another pretty substantial leg down. Now, with all that being said, guys, long term, I am very long term bullish on cryptocurrency. What I think is going to happen is we're going to fall down to like the low 9,000s, and then we're going to bounce off somewhere around this resistance, maybe somewhere around like the low 9,000s, bounce off and make higher highs. Now, that's what I personally think is the most likely thing to happen. I could be wrong, guys. I can't tell the future. Okay, there's this trading and technical analysis is all just a game of probabilities and likelihoods. There's no certainty in all this. But I just wanted to bring up as well, I actually shorted Bitcoin because I believe we are going to fall, like I mentioned just before, to the low 9,000s. Even just to kind of express to you guys further confirmation of a downtrend, as we can see here, Bitcoin has been falling. And if we look at the most recent price structure, like right here, we're currently in an ascending triangle, okay? And we broke down beneath the triangle. So this is just further confirmation of a downtrend, both on the near term and the small scale, and the macro picture, and the fundamentals, the things going on off the chart. There's just lots of reasons here to think that this thing's going to go down. So that's why I shorted Bitcoin. I believe my average short price was it 10,493. So right about here, guys. So I'm almost in profit, but guys, I think it's gonna fall down. Like I said, I think Bitcoin's gonna fall to the low 9,000s, 92, 91. That would be roughly I'm looking at a 10ish% ROI. So I just want to give you guys this update. Just be aware, be ready for some potential downturn in the market, whatever your trading plan is, whether it is to hodl or trade it or swing trade. Just be aware of these macro conditions. So that's it, guys. That's it for me. If you could please like, subscribe, comment, share. Really appreciate all of you who support the channel. All right, take care.